Hi again. Today let's try creating file upload functionality with Angular and Node.js. Let's try doing that in under 5 minutes. We have no time to waste. Let's go. I have Angular 8 application running on localhost. I have added some basic styling to make it look a bit nicer and a basic template in app component HTML. First of all, let's add a local template variable, file input, which we can then access in TS with viewChild decorator. Next step is to add click event handler to the button. Let's call it on file upload and create the function in TS. Inside, we want to get the image blob from the viewChild variable, create a FormData, and attach the image blob to the FormData. Now we can make a HTTP request with post method. We will use local API, local Node.js API, which we will set in 2 minutes. And payload is the FormData which we have just made file. Let's subscribe and console log the response. Short test. I will choose a file and click upload. Our request has failed as we don't have API running, but we can see in DevTools that we have the file included in the request as a binary file. Now let's create API folder and inside server.js file, I will open the directory in another terminal, init a npm project, we will need express and course npm packages. Now we can write server code. MULTER is a third-party library dedicated for handling multi-part file upload. I encourage you to go to the MULTER npm page and to read some documentation. It can be used for some pretty nice stuff. Inside the disk storage function, we declare where we want our file to be uploaded. In this case, we want it to be uploaded in the directory which we have our server file, so it should be uploaded inside the API folder. And in file name function, we specify what should be name of the file which we upload. To have some unique names, I decided to combine date now with the extension of the uploaded file. MIME type is something like that. For example, image/png. This is why we need to split it by slash and take the first index. That should be all. Let's try running the server. We can do that by simply typing node server.js. We have not required MULTER, or we have not installed it. Yeah, we have not installed MULTER, so we need to use one more command, npm install save MULTER. One more try. Node server.js. Server is running. Let's test it. I am choosing a file and hitting upload. As you can see, we have file in the API folder. I will open it in the Explorer. It was saved correctly. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.